Because ni shine and na you're planning for hotel. Enti opike call no and one kasa and the lady was on the phone and was like hello hello
so no so very no so ending no
oh no so ending.
Wow.
I stayed in the room for about 24 hours.
24 hours and it's not get him. Oh, what's room for no?
I'm just exaggerating. I'm just as that.
And I uncle na show you want to meet you. Wow.
So nature watch do watch room do
yeah pay. And our brands na show you.
Me 5 years knowledge and wisdom from
Ejare no wan say ejare bi.
No, na me drink key and me dey bebo umia.
Main food.
Yeah, and I'm in bi.
Okay.
Me buy and I'm say my media partner na friend. Yeah, come baby you.
Ni na echi wunya no kasai.
Me kasai.
Eh.
Yeah, kwa kutwa video na. Party bi na na betwa.
Wo won sa icon. Oh, say nipa no friend ni media person. Wo na kwa kutwa scene.
Yeah. Me ni betwa.
You're smart.
Yeah, I'm smart. Give me a
oh, we cheating, yeah, me fair. Yeah, me ba home.
I had time and my minimum cheat here.
So I say.
Auntie, I convinced her. Sir, no one you convinced.
Main food now you're convinced.
You're convinced.
Me convinced.
No say, hey, another smart one. Uncle, your captain, uncle, your captain smart. Bass, my nigga. Auntie, like, sir, me convinced.
Like, everyone was say, who share bath house or 5 years in area, you know. What's me babe convincing? He said, say whoopie. Say,
you also when him say me a media person.
Okay.
And when him say, yeah, nipa na ma, when him say,
baby, into your picky will call now. I say, actually, we're in now. It didn't deter you from going.
Hey.
Now I still was searching
my whole body.
And what I try to say?
My whole body.
I try to say,
you know, my whole body. They know your whole body.
Okay.
My whole body was doing me, they do.
It's not quite now,
yeah.
But my point is, your main food is here. Why would you go and eat the side food?
Have you forgotten the complication?
Complication? It's not an only enjoy.
No, I love her. It's me, my dream. Now me pesenka, maybe kind of like hospital. Now me person me surprising with it. Now me person because she's my girlfriend and I have to take good care of her. You get it? And I was in the process and I'm yes sir and to you nana.
Not in a one chain.
Senior woman.
And a one chain, I want you to 2 year name. You know, she say if Bibi come at this time.
No, one say your whole body.
Okay, to us way.
My whole body.
And I when you have him PA. So we could share lady no.
Yes, still now hotel. Chain.
That's all chain na main food abana yachen.
There be some I was able to convince her. Sana wa you convinced. Sana of a story in the Aquakus.
Wow.
So I made crano. Now make a full. And I order
what's our order
Uber. And a Uber no a buy. Sa meme when you say damn no order Uber.
So no one answer.
And to buy now or 2 minutes on order Uber.
Eh. Mummy enu nyina.
Some ma order on order.
Ti o kwa no di wechi.
Nti me fo nti me ko na hu say car foforo bi. No, like a bonsan ho.
Ba woni bibi aka na
eko. Ni be eko. And I'm in the correct. Nyamini eboafo.
Nyamini ho eboafo.
God is he can do. I'm loving I'm kissing.
Any kissing say.
Me pacho. Nti me ko hotel.
The no kana ye me one. Me kwanka be num beto.
Yeah, ye drew me menu man to say my whole body. Nti me ko ye do. Na oh, so babe, I'm a chair. Like,
no, it's a kafra.
I'm sorry, you know. Not that I'm afraid, no, not.
One kasa ujina so.
I'm so network.
Oh, okay.
MTN for one man.
MTN for your shit.
Yeah, network. So I explained, say, oh, na me.
A farmer.
So we started, romancing. Oh, say you in the entire question.
Ah, okay.
Now, we're back over.
Aye, Matthias.
So I touched her, she told me, so we started everything. I was there, no, somebody was knocking. The person was like, receipt. I was like, whoa.
Room service and not receipt. Room service.
And she's, or the receipt every. I don't know. She.
Now
No, my name at the crop. I say, my first time I'm in back hotel. So I was the to me I did.
AC.
Now I say my first time.
No, on your hotel.
And I said, me go to, but I'm doing buy a
but I must say, wait me, I smart, convincing mean food. What's the food? Mean lady, no. Now we pay free room, now will be your room service. Now they were drinking quick. It's in your mind to see so upstairs, Anna.
Yeah. Have you ever have this strong feelings when you guy person have a sex man? So when you start feelings,
never can
okay. So when you start feelings, you be that. We don't say we read if you phone password cry.
Sir.
Mobile money password cry.
Hey, and I know what thing.
I forgot everything because that moment
was a special moment.
A special moment.
And we say everything was okay.
Oh, say a cover.
Okay.
So everything was completely fine. I was inside. And the things were knocking things.
Okay.
The lady was, I was okay, fine. You don't want me to say the I or something. So the lady, immediately I heard, when I said, who is there? She said, room service, whatever, blah, blah. So I rushed on top of mine. I didn't, I made it towel. No? Yeah, I made it towel, bro. I know she made it towel. The towel, kata, they will say.
Towel, say a day.
Towel. Me the towel. Me the towel, no charm, kata, some parts. And I mean,
rush it to the door.
Rush to the door. Me being, I was like, set me in shape.
One shape, Nimpa. What the corner, Banawa, into one shady panini.
And I didn't know until I was like,
What's yeah? Main food. Why I shape originally?
Oh my gosh. Sana wa convince
receptionist.
They say, also what describe me. What describe me. So lady na me ni ba no omo ye mi ensa no na ye could be try series B whatever. So they were convinced.
Na so so na wo ko try series so inside her.
Yeah.
Until no so be try series.
Yeah. And the lady on top of the bed, in the bed was like, who is there? So my eye was like, I was quiet. I started from and now me tears were.
Wana?
No, my babe.
Okay, she was crying.
Also, would you know what tears sound?
Wait, then I also hear sound.
Sound were sounded.
Okay.
But
I didn't hotel a table Diana.
A kiosk.
Because I never hotel partner.
Sister, Obi near email. No, so one way curious. Obi bet me a on this sound.
But okay.
She was very curious.
Say paniato from crowd or
Betty.
Okay, and your Betty Ampa.
I feel what you say. You are beautiful. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You are beautiful. Thank you. So, I mean, she caught me. And the lady, she entered the room.
Or that bed,
still now, and she
say who is at the door.
And now,
when I can't. And I'm so ocean.
I'm saying to me, my one man, we told him, we move by for me to Casa. But you know one funny thing? The lady in the bed was never uttered a word.
Okay.
She never fought. One year free. So my girlfriend entered. Or hey, and you.
Oh.
And then you.
Oh. Uncle Nature.
Very fortunate.
Very fortunate mo.
Na me my very fortunate my hotel room near tonight aduane so won the lady. Na me ni wo ho no. Ni jane ho. Se na ya wie ba ko a na ba ko gu so a.
Boba.
Boba.
Eh, na waste wo.
O se na ye bi ach.
Okay.
So 2 years actually no ba ko am ko ye so.
Am ko ye ma wo sa.
Nti na ho no. Enti na da na me do.
Asem na wo kan eye wo ya. Oh, any aja wo serious.
Be say ase wo na wa ma asem na asere.
So aswe.
Enti
kwan ofa so free room one amejo.
Enti he din sa no bia nkasa no. I also like na me hu de menye. Because na on say sex dey bia on esi a nyoma bebre kokoso. Ena me din na chi me je fast hye matade na because no your ba me yeden.
Open
me pen
waka
me pen nkasa na me say me ni bejai because my sign any doctors be come back as I explain to say this is what my baby is going on into me. They say yes, and me di na chi me coffee.
Kopana cho
yeah.
Who are best? What sister said
that lady was also testing me.
What's it?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh yeah, sorry, say.
We need to say. Oh, say also pay me.
Now I don't care what's all catch on and who challenge sure the second. Mentia say.
So no lady no pay me.
Opel, but we trying to ensure why was she apologizing?
So maybe you don't know, but me, I also don't know why she was also doing that.
To be in
so I did my best, and
one chairman, she
called her mom. Her mom called my parents.
I know mommy's girl, sir.
Yeah, mommy's girl, and it was like a hell because it wasn't my. Oh yeah, I did. Some parents would jam me.
Now they are open there, which I'm saying.
Oh, sir, and I'm like the complication and this.
Not a complication. We think our best of the issue. We think chaos will never change. And there was so Obi auntie to my ears only.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day.
At the end of the day.
Cheating went bad.
Went bad.
Okay. So any advice from there? No, they say one master or cheating.
Me cheating.
Oh yeah, sure. It's me bisa sister.
Oh, bisa sister.
And I say china yenchin obi.
Oh, me cheating.
Tell the camera.
Yeah, so I learned my lesson.
Okay, from there. Say you be smart. Which it cry yenchin.
Upeso ka say me cheating na my smart.
They be me bisa yourself from them. We are watching say ubejai cheating no. Mejai cry we use Christo dinner. So what are you telling doing some baby cheating? What are you telling them? Will you give them any apport or you tell them not to try it at all?
Okay, to me or for me, whatever. No.
What's your take on cheating?
My take on cheating is that, you see, myself, I'll keep saying this. I have a problem with marry one woman.
Okay.
I have a problem with it because and when I'm a baby African, and to me, and explore to me. I don't know how you will take it, but it is something. I almost say evil for the doors, but it's never true. Continent in the society again, but doors and a man so dorsal.
It's if a man in a mom or a warrior.
Yes, you and I'm a vampire.
Amen.
Ain't you know? My problem is Uncle Nipa Betima said they're fine, but you're intimacy. And you cannot keep your cheating solely away from your main babe.
Okay.
If you want to cheat,
it's optional.
It's optional. Keep it away. Far away. Because baby will be time for that.
Okay.
Until you are now and I saw no baby net. Open me day say me up to now me catch that story in the cry.
How?
Because all banana me pen. Real love.
Okay.
And I cheating here then.
Echo baby.
And I have two things I now tell you America. I'm the talk.
Okay, Ntika.
Ope say uchitia. Keep it away from your wife or your girlfriend. Because maybe once I made it, I had a complication to the cheating.
Okay. So we answer a reason or
debate. But keep it away. 2, let your side chick
be aware.
Be aware
that there is a main chick.
Yes. Into ote asia.
Fine. 1 year since so.
Leave her.
Okay.
Because a man in America, a man so me say senka ye jitum say yan worry to a senka ye jituma anka I will let my main babe that
be
at
there.
That time no say babe maybe this or that. So I just
me worry me to call hotel
so
account.
Okay. And so bad though I hope 100 she'll still be there for you.
Okay.
Yeah. And see every time the woman will be on him and say if you want to cheat
tell it.
Keep your cheating away from your babe.
Okay.
And the second thing is that let your babe, let the
side chick.
I do not your second love.
Okay.
I don't say side chick.
Matiasi.
Side chick is 1 night.
Yatiasi.
Your second love. No, say you have
somebody.
Now on who have will be said.
Next time on the best friend.
Yeah. Any proverb chat be am be chat.
Bet me coded language be am being.
Coded. I like that. Which I cheat you?
Hey, boing.
Which cheat that?
Some questions.
And these are the 2 major. And they toss.
Fantastic.
They toss me and say to me.
Hey, what advice be very powerful.
Yeah.
We cheat once in pony.
Hey. Some once I made once though. But
we still be brave.
I
understand.
Senka. This is my proposal. I don't know if I'm the only man on earth I mean fighting for Sardina. Because when you say women are suffering because of that. When you say your baby maybe oh sikapa. Uncle bet me worry be 2 or 3. But obe kofa side chick. And you say oba no pese onini dano jan ho. Obetimi aware na be kan you na nko ahwe no ne na busuafo nyina. But ube say main wife no ko hu pe na enu su nanti any what do you call it?
As if I understand you.
Na akofa
create a whole lot of issue.
Maybe dem hu ni senka. If women African women better asia anka
advocate
say nka mumma kwan say de me kra na me amiana ye wo me no na nka mete Allah akbar hey Allah akbar na nka be say me ba ho because we do mutimi worry. And let me tell you this say me kanu wo mu kremoni ba ya worry ba kan ho problem is if you order they don't quarrel.
When you community?
I've stayed in a Muslim community for about 5 years.
Okay, now experience.
Yeah, they don't fight. Okay. They kono say kase we omo yakra for kra unji. Omo yenya. Because
say they are sure must say any enfasha ya
Christian.
Ti obetuba, obetime tuba.
Oh man. Once a Muslim, always a Muslim. Once a Christian,
always a Christian. Any ejina fako, just have one stance.
Say, I don't think I may say any name me problem
now.
So I say, inti senko mbeti me ena a man so no bema the any we are say or tna baba.
Okay, una oka. Don't talk for all the men.
The onion. Ukru na also untiti ye.
Why then?
I rest my case.
You have to rest your case. Okay, so viewers, yene Uncle Nature ena echichin komono. Aha, In and Out TV. And na da edikan a wo share your channel. In and Out TV. In and Out. Na o tia se bia, me say ha In and Out TV.
In and Out.
In and Out TV. And ne da we edikan a wo share. Kindly do well to subscribe and then comment and share. And follow us on all social media handle In and Out TV. We come your way with another episode. Until then, this is Pipi. Thank you.